While companies want to achieve visualization at their production sites, many of them give up on the idea due to the costs, time, and trouble involved. To such customers, we recommend a system that makes visualization simple with the GOT2000 series interface and a general web browser. Mitsubishi Electric's IQ Monozukuri ANDON. If your devices can be connected to the GOT2000 series terminals, then IQ Monozukuri ANDON lets you easily build an ANDON system. The ANDON display uses a general web browser to display information, thus reducing the cost of installation. What's more, signage can be integrated with the ANDON monitors, resulting in both space savings and lower costs. Typical ANDON systems require display screens to be set up, which means more time and hassle. But look, IQ Monozukuri ANDON includes template screens that can be used immediately. Changing layouts and colors and other edits are easy as well. Customers can create ANDON screens suited to their own production sites. Use of the dedicated tool Contents Publisher makes it easy to set schedules to display ANDON screens. Setting and displaying contents in the ANDON screen is easy, even for those with no expertise in GOT interfaces. At production sites equipped with IQ Monozukuri ANDON, ANDON screens can be switched based on production plans and events, allowing the desired screen to be displayed at the desired time. Even when away from the production site, with IQ Monozukuri ANDON, processes can be monitored not only on large screen displays, but even with tablets, smartphones, and computers at remote locations, enabling off-site confirmation of production and alarm situations. The ability to check production in a timely manner from remote locations contributes to more rapid problem solving. Bringing visualization to production sites with the GOT2000 series interface and a general web browser. Mitsubishi Electric's IQ Monozukuri ANDON. Let IQ Monozukuri help solve problems at your production site.